What can I do to keep insects from eating my hosta plants? With the new leaves on them, I started noticing that they were being eaten. What can I do or use? And this is Edwin from Horn Lake, Mississippi. So what do you think about that? Something's eating Edwin's hostas.
And it must be slugs.
I thought slugs, right?
Yeah, they're the #1. I wonder if he sees any trails, slimy trails around the holes or anything.
Slimy mucus.
Yeah, that they're notorious for doing that, and especially because the snails are just waking up, and the plants are nice and young. What a lunch is served.
Yes, right. That's right. Buffet. Right.
But you have to understand where slugs live. They like to hibernate during the day, and they come out at night. So you can put diatomaceous earths around the base of each one of the hosta, so that when they grow over it, then that breaks them up, and they'll get rid of them. I've also seen people put boards down right next to the stem, and the slugs will stay the day sleeping underneath it there. So you pick up the board and you scrape them off and get rid of them. And of course, there's always the famous pan of beer. It's a shallow dish, and they like the smell of it. They're attracted to it, and they go to it, and then they fall into the liquid and drown. But that's not really good with pets around.
Sure. So for that, I mean, there are some baits that you can use, and one that I know that's less toxic than the rest would be something that contains iron phosphate. It's going to be a lot friendlier, for your animals, for your pets and your kids that may be in the area. So that's what I would look for if you're going to use a bait.
Yeah, because some of the baits the animals are attracted to them too, and they'll chew on them. So you got to watch that.
Got to watch that. So so knowing the environment, of those snails and slugs, means a lot, right? But hostas like that too, right?
Yeah, they do.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.